Dogs with ear infections are very uncomfortable. Their ears stay in constant pain, and they frequently scratch them and shake their head. Deep ear infections can damage or rupture the eardrum, causing an internal ear infection and even permanent hearing loss. If the infection is not treated early, your dog could develop facial paralysis, deafness, or symptoms of vestibular disease. So, to avoid all these problems, it's always better to look out for signs and act before it's too late. These are the signs to look out for acute ear infection. Stage 1 is scratching and shaking. When the infection starts to build up, it is very painful. Your pet starts to scratch their ear and shake its head to relieve the discomfort. Stage 2 is bad odor. The ear becomes red and inflamed, which multiplies the pain, and the ear starts to develop a very bad odor. Stage 3 is discharge. You'll notice a black, yellowish colored discharge coming out of your pet's ear. Stage 4 is crusty ear. When it reaches severe stage, the ear starts appearing crusty and thickened. You'll also see the swelling narrowing down the ear canal due to chronic inflammation. If you find the 4th stage of ear infection in your pet's ear, then you better rush to the vet to get a thorough examination. The vet will examine your pet's ear with an otoscope to see whether the eardrum is intact and if there is any foreign material in the canal. If your dog is in extreme pain and refuses to allow the examination, it may be necessary to sedate or anesthetize him for a thorough examination, and the treatment will include a broad spectrum of medication for weeks or surgery in very rare cases. Now, how can you cure the infection at home with a natural remedy if you've detected it early? First remedy is brewed green tea, which is a natural antiseptic. Brew the green tea first, then let it cool down. Take a clean, pure cotton swab and dip it into a brewed green tea, just a little, and clean the external part of the ear. It will soothe the irritation and clean out all the debris. Second remedy is olive oil. It is a safe, natural ear cleanser. Put a few drops in the ear while massaging it until you hear a squelching noise. Then use a cotton ball to remove the debris. Make sure you don't use an excessive amount. Third remedy is apple cider vinegar. Because of apple cider vinegar's great properties, it is best at slowing down the growth of yeast and bacteria, which eventually eliminates the ear infection. So, take apple cider vinegar and distilled water in equal parts. Mix it and pour it into a bottle. Use this solution every 2 days directly into the ear. Just make sure you don't pour it. Clean all the dirt with a clean cotton cloth. There you go. These were the 3 home natural remedies that will keep your ear mites or chronic ear infections away.